Henan Djcranes Industrial Company Limited is a lifting equipment exporter and service provider. It has integrating design, production, sales, transportation, installation and training, a complete line. Djcranes can supply kinds of overhead cranes, gantry cranes, Djcranes, wire rope hoists, chain hoists, winch, etc. With more than 200 types, maximum capacity 900 tons. The equipment are mainly used in heavy-duty industrial handling, bridge and road construction, shipyard, dock, and terminal bulk. Quality is always Djcranes' first consideration. Djcranes has quality assurance system, comprehensive strict management system, and advanced inspection method, professional package and shipping team. In the technology, Djcranes is always keeping innovation, pay much attention to quality of steadily improving and perfect service system to help customers save cost, improve the efficiency, and create long-term value. Djcranes has exported to more than 120 countries and regions, including the Asia, Europe, America, Oceania, and Africa. It has provided a large numbers of first-class equipment for major projects and key projects in many countries. Djcranes crane market share remains stable, increasing year by year. Stable operation, quality first, focus on customers' actual requirements to help Djcranes to provide long-term security and reliable products. As a materials handling exporter, Djcranes pay much attention to supply professional design, quality product, and efficient service to meet customers' actual requirements. Choosing Djcranes is choosing efficiency and easier. Sincerely welcome your cooperation.